Welcome to my new series, Side Hustles I Wish I Would Have Known Sooner, Part 1. This one is nuts, and it's going to create passive income.
Head over to Etsy and search for t-shirt.
As an example, let's take a look at this shirt. This shirt is sold for $11.89 and has over 182,000 sales. All right, in doing the math, we're looking at over $2 million. That is nuts. This one's pretty easy to set up. Let me show you how. Head to Printify, start a free account. Pick your shirt you want to use. Head over to Canva and start designing. Pick a free one. Make that template your own. Head back to Printify for the design on the shirt. In your Printify settings, add your Etsy account. You go back to Etsy and build your listing. And then when someone buys your product, Etsy sends the order directly to Printify. And Etsy does all the work and ships it right to your customer. And then you sit back and collect the difference. If you would like to learn more side hustles, check out my profile and hit that plus sign for more.